Grab your popcorn. You're watching Magical Morgan with squishies galore and much more. Hey everyone, it's Magical Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So let's just get started. First off, we have Millie the Whale. Here's Billy the Whale. This Fred Turtle. This Hello Kitty powdered sugar donut. Here is a carrot. Next, we have these two pom-pom hamsters. The Punimaru Cotton Candy Kitty Animal Bun. This 18cm French baguette. The I Bloom Little Penguin. Now we have the I Bloom Baby Tanker. Two jumbo steam buns. A pastel marshmallow cake. The Punimaru Jumbo Chocolate Dipped Strawberry. The Punimaru Jumbo Bear Pancake in Blueberry. The Punimaru Jumbo Bakery Crusty Bun in Strawberry. The I Bloom Strawberry Shortcake. Another marshmallow cake in chocolate. The Jumbo I Bloom Strawberry. The Chawa Pineapple. The 3 mini I Bloom bread dolls. Hello Kitty Strawberry Melt Donut, non-reproduced. Millie the Whale in Relaxed. This off-brand peach. This is the Peach Mini Mochi Seal by Punimaru, and I also have the melon one and the strawberry one. Hebrew Colossal Bread. The I Bloom Mini Strawberry in red. Lastly, the Jumbo I Bloom Peach. So those were all of my squishies in my collection, but I also do have some miniature off-brand squishies, but I will not be showing those. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!